Welcome to Our Night Sky on astrocast.tv. This is Carolyn Collins Petersen, and for June, we're going planet hunting. Although we'll be searching out naked eye planets, it's always a good idea to bring along binoculars or a small telescope if you have them. They'll help enhance your view. And as always, be sure and dress warmly. The crescent moon leads off our search for other worlds this month. It shows up low in the west during the first week of June. The planet Saturn is a bright sight in the evening skies after sunset. If you look at it through a telescope, you should be able to see its lovely rings tilted almost edge-on, and you might be able to spot some of its moons. On June 15th, the full moon is a lovely sight rising in the east. Saturn is close to the double star Porrima in the constellation Virgo. Not far from Virgo is the constellation Boötes. It's a kite-shaped star pattern high overhead in the evening skies for Northern Hemisphere stargazers throughout the month. Its brightest star is called Arcturus. Skygazers in both hemispheres can search out the S-shaped outline of the constellation Scorpius. On June evenings, it's low on the southern horizon for Northern Hemisphere viewers, and high in the sky for Southern Hemisphere stargazers. The center of the Milky Way galaxy lies just off the tail of the Scorpion. In addition to Saturn, there are 4 other planets visible to skygazers in June. First is Mercury. It's tough to spot, but look just above the western horizon about a half an hour after sunset, beginning on June 23rd. For the other planets, you'll need to be out under early morning skies. Venus is visible low in the east about 30 minutes before sunrise. If you happen to be up early on June 29th, you'll be treated to a view of Venus and the moon together. Look for Mars in the pre-dawn skies. On June 15th, Mars and Venus appear close together not far from the Pleiades star cluster. You'll find Jupiter a little higher in the sky. Later in the month, on June 28th, Mars and the Pleiades are visited by the crescent moon. Jupiter rises well before dawn and glows like a beacon as the sky brightens. Look for it close together with the crescent moon on the 26th. If you observe the giant planet with binoculars or a small telescope, see if you can spot any of its 4 largest moons. They'll appear as points of light on either side of the planet. Take your time when you're searching out the stars and planets this month. They'll reward you with some beautiful sights. This is Carolyn Collins Petersen for Our Night Sky, wishing you clear skies and wonderful planet gazing from astrocast.tv. Music for this episode of Our Night Sky comes from the new album Stella Novus from geodesium.com.